Everybody cannot record on you.
Yeah, so like what I was
even if you mention names. So
of course, I'm going to like my stupid to mention names. Yes, from the beginning. Okay, to be precise, on the 5th of January 2018, I made our Africa. He made around there after 9, 10 o'clock.
Who are you addressing now?
Sir, the Edos are whom I'm addressing now, sir.
The
Edo elders, the Edo community elders living in Roma, Lazio. I report that I'm addressing right now. So he may be a war. Then Ijore, my cousin, not by Italy, Renena. And I'm so boveku. So he's so boveku. And if you're winning, normally I was so boveku on Lawa. But when I wear ni Larine, so I came out. So maybe the near Lawa. If I'm not mistaken, in other words, Osakwe, or Tim Morgan or Karimana, Dennis, Nora Rotote Wagame. Nora Rotote Wagame. Then in other words, Ugo Yuri. Wasunu, Osakwe was looking very haggard. Always get a rogue in the accident. That in a calling for Mamu, that the other girl of Winaway in Revani. Ohama Johnny Akia because Ablas police are Evani. Benana Suna between Gugola and Fiorentino before Frosinone. So, in a way, I only had the Nijore Moti Yamuya Rievani. But because you made document and driver's license, you ran the sober women. The Milan made to drive with the driver's license of women. In such am I supposed to refuse? That was how I entered the motor. My yard drive here. So I bought this over there. You pay this, you pay a toll gate. My yard drive here. It's about 35-40 minutes drive. So my case, there was nothing on the ground. And me, there's up the side, you know, the motor not begin now. There is a motor of Panini. So a man with the man, I know where accident no soon one. Where as no, or we motor jamming together at Ivaniwa we instantly. Super Strada already Caslina one, no where I in Napoli. When this particular side a bar not separating the two roads. So you were waiting the gear or crossing the bar. With the motor door, my bed, the motor not jam. There was nothing we could do that again. I turn around there after 2. Casson, sir. So remind I will be driving. I didn't know Osakwe what you are going to do. Look for the relatives. Osakwe way, you know, Osakwe time when I can Osakwe is in Germany with Obokan. As at that time, or we just get now, or say Kakakaya Wahi. So Osakwe do Tia was Sony. When Allah no buye get now, Rio Wagi no soon. At least to go and consume. And I was a cool ballet relatives here of Pare in one. No, I'm making better. I can issue an answer. No, imagine I have an insurance here, but I'm so sure where, so long as there is debt inside, it may be a compensation if you have a good lawyer. That was how we left. Now, this is why they dropped me to Osakwe. I didn't know Osakwe did not vote. Osakwe slept the Dennis house, Noroto will. As early as 7, I will go to Sobone. Wait that Mila or do advice. There is nothing I can do to draw you back again. As Sonny, I called the president because otherwise election for Wegeni between Monday and I think if Isaac or becoming out Africa again with the election, the second election I cancelled the first one. So I got Africa. So in a call it Monday. Now give me a plan soon. Yeah, we will talk about this and that and this. Then I left. Then Osakwe will go to look. Imagine I'm not handling any position in the Edo State Cultural Association. Contact him Monday, he will know how to assist you. And I call him on the Monday winner. In a column John, no Sakwe Bomo John here. This was how Omo John came into the topic. Again, Omo John, you went back. Sakwe, I do in me. Sakwe, you already do made it now. Big lady has a store more John. Erimayase. I'm just trying to brief it short. I think when we got there, Paedu was there that day. But that Paiseko arrived and so Paiseko arrived and the other few people don't arrive and I don't know the topic and we are trying to describe it again. You know when we uncle and I one receive. If any Paedu now we on, you couldn't no buy. In ya call it. I want to call it the man away of your TNE. I receive now what's in ye again now we are here. I know where over your TNE now. I know we my TNE now. That was how immediately that man came. or we ran away. Fine. Now this is the situation. This RC now, I think I want to contact here in Nigeria. This time I hear the story. Then one of the immediate senior sister to this late girl now, only ring there. You know, contact like they were trying to beg this RC. I wish RC was here now. I would have reminded him of what he said that day, because Wakari or we in Batiana in that he can obtain in a order that he doesn't want to be part of it. That you know that story even Imoto Yak Bovien 7 years old here, you know, honestly enough in the family if then we now begged him, we not see how he can assist. The same RC now begged Omodio, no Lao, no Lady police station, because there's no police station in that jurisdiction except you have to go to Frosinone or handle a zone because that be make and that a police station in that renewable for almost 7 years. You have any day street here. I don't want to go, but the president all our own where we felt it was just going to be a minor issue. The next day, Manafis appointment at 12 o'clock. They really came. Hey, Baba. So they really came. The RC came that 12 o'clock. In Yamume was there because Motopozo Mana la Rakodo Express Road. So we went straight to the police station. Mate on there, and I will do receive any. To cut the story short, Mana Osakwene Bay. Mana we in a situation doni here can year Osako we total you moto and mega arrow there on it. My given any year then we tell you to come over. So we went into the police station, we identified ourselves, then I remarried. So immediately I with that person in my comfort. No me accident 3 days ago. They separated the three of us immediately. They took Harrison to another room, they took Omoro John to another room, they took me to another room. Then he started asking questions like, a community Zeme, when this man is the uncle, you see me here with Ravije. The girl no one in question, we don't know. No, uncle na or that's why we were able to identify this person. The same story Nita, Omoro Jovita, the Harrison, it has the story correspond. And I will go to return him. This was like after 3 hours. Because a 2 DPO interview him with 1 inspector on a very so meanwhile this process of interrogation they were asking who is Desmond, and I was showing you walk by I don't know who is Desmond. Not the way I investigate a guess in Yabang who put never anytime a police never on a tier Desmond or Mugenari. I don't understand and Osakwe my own Mama Desmond. So that was only Masia Yumoto sir. So that was how we now like now sat down. So the end way a judicial sequestrator because of better 24 hours in a Mamare. You know, he can be letter to judicial, but the uncle have to drop his paper to identify where yes, in Billion Quarry. We have to drop our paper where we are the community person. So in the case of any responsibility, we will take charge for the burial or anything. Manawe mawa listen with the moon kegbe ba na we na we bury Italy ba be yawo ni na we elwo and listen with my word that the relationship we are have relations over, so we really dropped our document, they photocopied it. So that was how we left that day. The second day ni ari ni mawe judicial reply, we went there yamare the answer. Then I think after like 4 hours my say wani ma say wani around 9 around the 2, the man had worried the hospital near the girl. So we got there actually. Harrison said, well, 16 years in Yakman in Warri, the girl was still very small. But he identified the girl by shape. So we went there, Yamako in Manalawa, Harrison Gelawa. Harrison went there, saw away, a face here, the girl that in you know. He now came back to the police station to say, well, yes, they gave Harrison the Luna Holster. They gave Harrison the death certificate. They gave Harrison another document, not me. Mama signed it, Harrison signed it. Then when we were there, we were police station, a phone Harrison ring. A phone Harrison